I am going to put this up on the internet in just a few minutes, hopefully up on the website also. So it will definitely be on the YouTube channel, and it will probably be on my website before the end of school today. So with that in mind, let's go over the answers to your pretest, and then if you have any difficulties when you go home tonight and you do some studying, if there's one that's really getting to you, then I made sure I showed lots of work, and we're going to discuss them now so you can follow along and prepare. Remember, performance is a function of preparation. Very good. You prepare, you'll perform. Don't prepare, you don't perform. Simple as that. Okay, so take a look at these answers. Are there any that you want me to go over?
No.
We're good?
Yeah.
Okay. A little bit more. Any questions on page 1? Okay, let's go to page 2. Lenny, I'm not hearing or seeing a whole lot of focus out of you right now, bud. Right? No O's. If you don't want to focus, you don't want to learn, that is your business. I feel bad you're making a mistake. You'll figure that out, but don't go distracting people around you. All right, anything in here? Okay, let's now check out numbers 8, 9, 10. I said 8, 9, 10. Check them out, see if there's any in there that you want to talk about, go over. Mr. Michaels, are you doing good so far?
What? Yeah.
Yeah, you look like you're a little out of it right now.
I'm just tired.
Yeah, you and me both. Force yourself. Will yourself into making sure you're ready for tomorrow's test. Davis.
Number 9.
Okay, well, it says which one is not a function. The one that's not a function is when there's an input value, an x value, that has two. Oh, look at that. They both have ones. I didn't look at that. 0, 1, 2, 3. Then they would all be functions. But let's assume that those are different. When you look for the one tomorrow, look for the one with where an x value repeats. Okay? And 10, 11, 12. Are we good? All right. Third page, numbers 13, 14, 15. Yes?
Are we gonna get the formula?
You will, any formula that would be on the formula sheet you will get tomorrow. One formula that's not on the formula sheet that you will have to remember is the Pythagorean theorem. Right? Leg squared plus leg squared is hypotenuse squared? Good. I'm glad you feel that way. That's very, very, very good. If you're feeling it, if you feel that's easy, you're in, it's a step toward being in great shape. Anything else here? I hope as you're going through these questions that you're getting the feeling that the test is fair. I think it's fair. I think the content is fair. I think what you're expected to know is fair. And I think that you've had 2 days to do 2 pretests that look like the real test. Means that if you wanted to work and if you prepared, you will perform and do well. Any other questions on this? Yes.
Wait, isn't it 4.8? 4.8?
Ah, great question. Thank you for asking that. See how it says 4.8 here?
Yeah.
But it says that the pool has a height of 4.8, but then it's only filled to 6 inches from the top. And 6 inches is a half a foot. So I have to take away 0.5 from the 4.8 and make it 4.3. Yeah. Now, if it was on the test and you did that, and you used 4.8 instead of 4.3, I'd take off 2 points, but I'd give you the rest of the points. Okay? Thank you for asking that question because I wanted to mention that and I would have forgotten. Okay. Now, let's just read this together so that everybody understands what's going on here. It says when triangle ABC was dilated by a scale factor of 2, you get A prime, B prime, C prime. So the one they're drawing the picture of is not the first one before the dilation. What is it? After. And it says here it was dilated by a scale factor of 2. So the original one has to be everything cut in half because it's the opposite or the inverse.
So I cut all these coordinates in half. 4, 4 negative 4, 4 becomes negative 2, 2. Negative 4, 6 becomes negative 2, 3. And 2, 4 becomes 1, 2. And then I draw the red triangle. Okay? Yes, Davis?
Can't you also divide it by 2?
Yeah, that's what I just said. Cut in half, divide by 2. We're good. Okay? Number 18. I hope number 18 was easy for you guys.
Yeah. Yes.
Good. Now we go to the last page of the pretest. Graphing of the line. I think the first time you see this, it might be a little bit weird and a little challenging, but I think once you start seeing it, you're in good shape. Okay? And last but not least, number 20 comes out with 12 is negative 3. That means there's no solutions. Right? 12 will never equal negative 3, so there's never a solution. Any questions? Okay. Study hard tonight. Performance is a function of